Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at the Exertis Almo E4 Experience, Boston, and I'm here with Tom Keefe, and he's here with Absen. He's actually part of Exertis Almo, but in the Absen booth. And Absen's kind of doing a cool demo that I want you to see. This is an SMB, which is basically, this is the actual board that is used, the panel that's used for LEDs, right? There you see the little LEDs on there. And you can see all the little components on the back that drive the content to the LED, transistors and relays and all sorts of other little special chips and things that I don't even know what all this does. But ultimately, you're kind of demystifying LED install, aren't you?
Yes, I am. So really, people think of video walls and they think of something that's new. There's a lot of jargon that goes along with it, cabinets and modules and pixel pitches and how far away do my audience have to be from the display. And it's a lot simpler than a lot of people think, especially a lot of dealers that I talk to that are first-time installers of LED because it's so new. One of the great things about Absen, they simplify it. With every installation, they will send a tech out on site to assist with that install. So, when they come out on site, it's not only assisting with the technical side of the install, but simple things like opening up the crates and seeing all the parts and laying them out and helping the installer to quickly get it up and running and then configuring it the way the end user wants it configured.
You're showing them how it mounts, right? I mean, this is one module, right? And there's, in this display here, 1.5 millimeter, there's 9 modules, is that right?
So there's 9 there's 9, so you have a cabinet, there's 9 cabinets. Each cabinet has 4 modules, and they magnetize on, so there's 36 modules, 9 cabinets.
9 cabinets, 36 modules, and this just attaches with a magnet. And by attaching that magnet, it knows where it's located now?
Absolutely.
You don't have to do anything else?
No.
Pretty cool.
It's all pre-calibrated and pre-configured.
So once the wall's put together like this, how do you get this off? Do you use some kind of suction thing, or how do you get it?
So they come with a vacuum suction tool.
Made by Dyson?
Made by Dyson. It actually is made by Dyson. I don't know if we're supposed to say that, but it is.
Yeah.
And it's a vacuum suction tool. It's wireless. Everything is front serviceable. You don't have to take the cabinet down when you service it. And everything is shipped with spares, so when one does go down, or if there's a dead pixel, you send it back to Orlando, they service it within 10 days, and within that 10 days, you're not going to have a big gaping hole in your display. You're just going to put a spare in there, and you're never going to have any downtime.
Excellent. All right. Well, if you want to learn more about Absen, check out usabsen.com, usabsen.com.